pain? Can you feel my 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 pain? They say you gotta walk in the next man's shoes to understand them. If you put a foot in mine, you'd see the things I took for granted. I risked a lot to get my spot and finally feel established. I've been damaged, but I managed to smile like nothing happened. What can I say? I guess I'm just too stubborn, ignoring all the signs when they show me they true colors. Fresh home from tour, new phone with a new number. Hit him back like, who this? What the fuck can I do for you? I'm exhausted by people, haunted by evil, lost in my thoughts while y'all watch through the peephole. If life is a game, I must have lost at the free throw. I'm driving down a highway in a car full of weed smoke. Can you feel my pain? 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 Cause I'm way too high and I can't look down. I've been in too deep and I just might drown. Can you feel my pain? Can you feel my pain? What am I to do when there's nothing left to say? I've been running from my demons, I can never get away. Can you feel my pain? Can you feel my pain? Who knows, maybe I'm tripping. Can't go to sleep, so I'm staying up drinking. Maybe I'm tripping, I can't go to sleep, so I'm staying up drinking. It's hard to breathe when I'm crawling out of this hole. I got my hands on the wheel, but I'll probably lose control. I don't know how to feel, and it's honestly hard to show when I've been on tour so long and I'm constantly on the road. And a part of me wants to go disappear where I'm all alone. I guess I need to learn to stop partying at my shows, but I'm starting to learn since I put my heart in this I could grow. And I remind myself I built this whole arsenal on my own, motherfucker. So tell these suckers they can suck it. I learned that I had to earn this. I put up with all the suffering. I watched best friends turn on me. It fucking felt disgusting. All these #1 albums, they can't fucking tell me nothing. What's your budget? Cause now my time is way too valuable. I was way too casual, now I'm way too powerful. I can't get too comfortable, I think I need to change. If you feel this, then I feel you, cause I know you feel my pain. Feel my pain. Falling asleep with all of my demons. They've been haunting my dreams and I can't think straight cause they won't stop screaming. I've been falling asleep with all of my demons. They keep talking to me but I can't tell them shit cause they can't keep a secret. I've been falling asleep with all of my demons. They've been haunting my dreams and I can't think straight cause they won't stop screaming. I've been falling asleep with all of my demons. They keep talking to me, but I can't tell them shit cause they can't keep a secret. What the fuck am I to do? 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 When there's nothing left, cause I don't wanna feel shit. Someone must have hit a kill switch. They don't ask about the problems that I deal with. Fuck all of this money, you can have it, I don't feel rich. I keep having these flashbacks, I hate them. They remind me of my problems, I can't stand to face them. I know it's probably my last chance to change them, but even if I do it, my past can't erase it. They recognize me cause they see me on the internet. They think I owe them something, I can't deal with all the disrespect. Sick to my stomach, when I feel it, I just disconnect. My demons tend to get the best of me when I get depressed. I've been stabbed in the back with a chainsaw, but who am I to blame, y'all? I'm smoking till the pain's gone. You see me smiling on the surface, trying to stay strong, acting like I'm happy starts to feel like it's my day job. But just as long as there's a purpose to it all, I'll keep touring, working hard, writing verses to these songs. Far from perfect, every person has their flaws, and mine is I'm an addict still searching for a cause. I know they judge me for mistakes that I've made since I've gained all this fame. Shit just ain't been the same. I came in a game to pave a name for my name, and it's painful to say it puts restraints on my brain, but I know it's worth it cause I get to tell my story. I'm at a point where the industry can't ignore me. I never had the mainstream media to endorse me. I did this all by being myself and y'all are corny. To every kid that's listening to this song, I hope you find a message I've written within it all. If no one's ever there to help pick you up when you fall, I promise you're not alone. Play this shit and just hit the wall, cause I've been falling asleep with all of my demons. They've been haunting my dreams and I can't think straight cause they won't stop screaming. I've been falling asleep with all of my demons. They keep talking to me but I can't tell them shit cause they can't keep a secret. I've been falling asleep with all of my demons. They've been haunting my dreams and I can't think straight cause they won't stop screaming. I've been falling asleep with all of my demons. They keep talking to me but I can't tell them shit cause they can't keep a secret. I know you're listening for something to relate to. I know the feeling like the whole world hates you. I know you're wishing you could finally ever break through. You thought it was a phase so you pretend you're in a great mood. I know it hurts to see reflections of yourself cause the person that you see is not like everybody else. So you try and you try but it never seems to help. So you're questioning your worth cause you're so fed up with the guilt. But you're not the only one that's going through regret. You're not the only one that no one seems to get. You're not the only one that's so close to the edge that if you slip it's over for you so you cope with it instead. I can promise you that nobody is perfect and you overthink the little shit you're always so concerned with. So you lock yourself inside every night and close the curtains and you're screaming out loud but it's like no one even heard it. I know problems keep piling up right in front of you. So much anxiety inside you don't know what to do. Been lied to so much that you don't think you even want the truth. Fuck it all, you grew to be used to it, it ain't nothing new. I've been there too, just so tight. A lot of substance abuse and long nights. But next time I see all my demons, it's on sight. Next time I see all my demons, it's on sight, yeah. I've been falling asleep with all of my demons. They keep talking to me, but I can't tell them shit cause they can't keep a secret. What the fuck am I to do? Falling asleep. What the fuck am I to do? 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 There's nothing left.
Damn. Dang, got sticks on it this time. Ha.